Important: dispense at least 1 quart or 1 liter of water every week to maintain a fresh supply. If the flow of water from the dispenser decreases, it could be caused by low water pressure. With the water filter removed, dispense 1 cup or 237 milliliters of water. If 1 cup of water is dispensed in 8 seconds or less, the water pressure from the refrigerator meets the minimum requirement. If it takes longer than 8 seconds to dispense 1 cup of water, the water pressure to the refrigerator is lower than recommended. After connecting the refrigerator to a water source or replacing the water filter, flush the water system. Flushing the water dispensing system forces air from the water line and the filter and prepares the water filter for use. Note: as air is cleared from the system, water may spurt out of the dispenser. Using a sturdy container, depress and hold the water dispenser pad for 5 seconds, then release it for 5 seconds. Repeat step 1 until water begins to flow. Once water begins to flow, continue depressing and releasing the dispenser pad 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off, until a total of 1 gallon or 3.8 liters has been dispensed. Allow 24 hours for the refrigerator to cool down and chill water. Allow 24 hours to produce the first batch of ice. Discard the first 3 batches of ice produced. Wait 72 hours for full ice production. To dispense water, standard. Press a sturdy glass against the water dispenser paddle. Hold the glass close to the water dispenser spout to ensure that the water dispenses into the glass. The glass needs to touch the beaded portion of the paddle to dispense properly without excessive force. To dispense water, measured fill. Measured fill allows you to dispense a specified amount of water with the touch of a few buttons. Important: low water pressure may affect the accuracy of this feature. For optimum performance of your water dispenser, you must first calibrate measured fill. Place a sturdy measuring cup, 1 cup, 237 milliliter size, on the dispenser tray, centered in front of the water dispenser pad. Press and hold the Measure Fill button for 3 seconds. The words Measured Fill and 8 ounces will appear on the display screen. Also, light will illuminate and remain lit while the Measured Fill feature is being calibrated. Using your hand, not the measuring cup, press and release the water dispense paddle in order to dispense water to the 1 cup, 8 ounce fill line. When 1 cup of water has been correctly dispensed into the measuring cup, press the Measured Fill button to confirm calibration. Note: you will hear a double beep and the desired amount to calibrate the Measured Fill to will flash. When the Measured Fill calibration has been confirmed, the display will return to the home screen. Measured Fill feature. Press Measured Fill to turn on the feature. When the feature is on, the Measured Fill screen appears on the display. To dispense water, press a sturdy glass against the water dispenser paddle, or place the glass below the water dispenser and press the water dispense button. Hold the glass close to the water dispenser spout to ensure that the water dispenses into the glass. Note: while dispensing water, the digital display will count down how much water remains to be dispensed according to the volume you selected. The flow of water will automatically stop once the desired volume has been dispensed. To stop dispensing before the selected volume has been dispensed, remove the glass from the dispenser pad or press the Measured Fill button a second time. The display will turn off after 1 minute of inactivity. To select a new volume or start dispensing the same volume again, you must first finish dispensing the selected volume or turn off the Measured Fill feature. The default unit is ounces. Note: amounts lower than 8 ounces can be dispensed. Use a measuring cup to set the calibration to an amount lower than 1 cup. The countdown for the measured fill feature will be faster when the calibration is set for any amount below 1 cup.